Did you know that Indonesia is the world's largest archipelago, consisting of over 17,000 islands? This tropical paradise is not just a favorite tourist destination, but also a thriving home for expats seeking adventure, affordability, and cultural diversity. In this video, we'll explore the visa options available for U.S. citizens looking to move to Indonesia, the benefits and requirements, and the top 5 expat-friendly destinations. The tourist visa is the simplest way to enter Indonesia for a short stay. The single-entry visa allows you to stay for up to 60 days, while the multiple-entry visa offers more flexibility for frequent visitors. This option is ideal for those scoping out the country before committing to a long-term move. Applications require proof of return tickets, a valid passport, and sufficient funds. The social and cultural visa, also known as the B211A visa, is perfect for those who wish to stay longer, often for cultural exchange, family visits, or community activities. It allows a stay of up to 60 days, extendable for up to 6 months. Sponsorship from an Indonesian citizen or organization is required to apply for this visa. Indonesia's retirement visa is tailored for individuals aged 55 and above who want to spend their golden years in this idyllic country. Applicants need to prove a minimum monthly income of $1,500, provide health insurance, and commit to renting or owning property in Indonesia. This visa grants multiple benefits, including long-term stays and access to local services. The work visa, or KITAS, is the most common option for expats employed by Indonesian companies. Employers typically sponsor the application, requiring proof of employment, qualifications, and a valid passport. This visa is essential for those seeking to work legally in Indonesia and contributes to the country's economic growth. The investor visa is designed for those who plan to establish or invest in businesses in Indonesia. Applicants need to demonstrate substantial financial investment in a registered company. This visa offers residency rights and is a stepping stone toward permanent residency, providing access to Indonesia's rapidly growing markets. Indonesia is set to introduce a digital nomad visa, catering to remote workers seeking a long-term stay while working online. Although details are yet to be finalized, it's expected to offer tax-free residency for remote work activities and a chance to experience Indonesia's affordable and beautiful lifestyle. After 5 years of holding a KITAS, expats can apply for a Kitap, Indonesia's permanent residency permit. This option is available to retirees, investors, and long-term professionals, granting them broader rights and fewer bureaucratic requirements. Here are the top 5 expat destinations in Indonesia. Bali, often called the Island of the Gods, is a magnet for expats. Known for its stunning beaches, vibrant art scene, and relaxed lifestyle, Bali offers a perfect blend of modern amenities and traditional charm. Indonesia's capital, Jakarta, is a hub for professionals and entrepreneurs. With a thriving business scene, international schools, and diverse culinary experiences, it's ideal for those seeking urban energy. Yogyakarta is the cultural heart of Indonesia. Known for its rich history, affordability, and strong academic community, this city is perfect for expats interested in art, education, and Javanese traditions. Bandung, the Paris of Java, is a favorite among expats for its cool climate, affordable living, and creative vibe. It's a great spot for families and digital nomads alike. Lombok, often seen as Bali's quieter neighbor, offers a more serene lifestyle. With its crystal-clear waters, unspoiled beaches, and welcoming community, it's a paradise for nature lovers and retirees. Here are the key steps for the visa applications. Applying for an Indonesian visa requires careful preparation. Gather essential documents like a valid passport, proof of funds, and any necessary sponsorship letters. Submit your application through the Indonesian embassy or consulate in your home country. Working with local legal advisors can make the process smoother and faster. Indonesia is a land of endless opportunities, whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a fresh start. With its diverse visa options and expat-friendly destinations, it's no wonder this tropical paradise is a top choice for U.S. citizens. We have provided additional resources in the description. Are you ready to make Indonesia your new home? Share your plans in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insights into living abroad.